electric poles, electric meters, changeover, voltage stabilizer, AC relay, electricity generator, load control panel. Connection from transformer 1 to meter 1. Connect meter 1 output to changeover. Connection from transformer 2 to meter 2. Connect meter 2 output to changeover and changeover output to voltage stabilizer. Connect voltage stabilizer output to AC relay and electricity generator output to AC relay. Now connect the AC relay output to load control panel. This system is efficient when you are using multiple power sources. Explanation with simple block diagram. Simple connect meter to load, electric control panel. Connect 2 meters to changeover and changeover output to load. To connect generator to your setup, you need a 220 volt DC-DC AC relay. When generator power ons, connection transfer to generator automatically. In this block diagram, power connected to load is from meter 1. Now power is from meter 2. No power connected to load. Now power is connected from generator to load. This is just a simple installation video. Hope it will help you in your concept.